Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Jain vegetable soup. We'll focus on creating a flavorful and wholesome meal that adheres to Jain dietary principles. This means we'll be skipping root vegetables like onions, garlic, and potatoes. Instead, we'll highlight fresh, vibrant ingredients and aromatic spices to build a truly satisfying soup from scratch. Get ready to learn a simple yet rich recipe. First, thoroughly wash and chop your chosen vegetables into small, uniform pieces. Good options include bottle gourd, zucchini, and green beans. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a small pinch of asafoetida, letting them sizzle for a few seconds until fragrant. This forms the aromatic base. Now, add your chopped vegetables to the pot and sauté them for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they begin to soften slightly. Then, pour in 4 cups of water or vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for approximately 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the vegetables to become perfectly tender. Once your soup is ready, ladle it into bowls. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a bright finish. This wholesome and comforting Jain vegetable soup is perfect on its own or served with a side of warm whole wheat bread. It's a truly nourishing meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.